What's going on, everybody? So, what, month and a half, 2 months ago, I set out a video where you saw me do the second half of a door repair. Well, we had another one come in a couple weeks ago, just so you can see how it starts. And people seem to enjoy the dunk, dunk, dunk satisfying sound of a hinge pin. Now, the interesting thing here is, so you can see the bends, see that down there, you can see where it's kind of bent on the hinges. The interesting part of these is this. This door closes behind this flap, and that was tight. So somehow they bent this and managed to rip it out, which happens quite a lot. So what we got to do here is we're going to cut this here with a hacksaw, since we can't use a grinder in here. Bend it out, pick it up, straighten the hinges out as needed, and install the new door. So now you get to see the entire process with my new tripod. So let's step it back a little bit. There we go. Let's try that for now. Oh, and yeah, don't worry about that mess. We might catch the second half of that video, or that job. That wasn't a great video to record. All right, it's gonna get loud. Probably turn it off. And the fun part of this is you got to cut this without hitting the plastic tank behind it, hence the short. Love cheap blades. All right, now we have that. Now to get that out. I have an old pin.
Hey, sir, do you have a copy? I got it.
Where'd you put the door?
Hey,
Actually, that's pretty straight. That is pretty straight. Let's do that.
Actually, here, hold up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up.
about that.
Now, come over here. And does this thing bend? It does. This is the new tripod, so I'm, well, trying the tripod. That got ripped up. I need to grab a flat head. More chisel. Alright. Oh, wait a minute. I gotta go grab the washer. And where'd the thingy go? Did I lose a piece already? Hold on. Damn. Got it. Alright, so now we can open this. Close that. And then you can see what I'm talking about with that overlap. The nylon washer. So now you get to see the whole thing instead of just the second half. I thought that might be appreciated since there was mild destruction involved. And yes, order pickers have nipples. Pinchy, pinchy. Alright, so there we go. Here's what's left of this. That's it. So, appreciate you watching. Appreciate you hanging out. And I'll do some more short recordings if I can. Keep things rolling. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. Talk to you next time. See you on stream and have a groovy day. And be groovy to each other. See ya.